An example of what a transition looks like. There was an election in Kenya. There was no coup. And because there was an election, it was a baton to be handed over from one team to another. And I want to thank Joseph Kinyua for making sure that there was a seamless working together between the cabinet that was there and the new cabinet. And I also want to congratulate the old cabinet because they worked with me to facilitate whatever it was that we needed to do, and they have done so up to today. I have been to many of them to various public functions. They have facilitated the smooth transition of administration, and that is the good manners that we should continue to display as the people of Kenya, that we can go to an election, we can conclude an election, and in a peaceful manner, orderly, respectful manner, be able to transit from one administration to the other. That's why I have singled out Joseph Kinyua and all the other public officers who have made this possible. Asanteni sana.
And with those profound accolades, the first photograph we'd like to take is with you, Dr. Joseph Kinyua, and His Excellency the President and the Deputy President. Do we have members of the family from Dr. Joseph Kinyua, if they are around?